trying to figure out my content for next year, and I'm trying to be very strategic about it. So I want to post more on my YouTube, which I've been recording some stuff, but I'm kind of slacking, and I need to go ahead and finish. I was supposed to do 12 ponytails of Christmas on my natural hair, but some mornings I just be tired, so I haven't been doing it, but I'm going to go ahead and finish them. I probably have like 7 more ponytails to do. Very simple, very easy. I could finish this week. I don't know. We'll see.
I'll have some, you know, like the mousse stuff. I'll probably just run.
Yeah.
Just run some of that.
It'll curl back up.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is so cute. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm coming back. This is like the... Oh my god.
Look at you.
This
Thank you.
is so cute.
You ain't gonna be able to stare in the mirror, I already know.
already? Well, you don't be playing.
I don't.
You don't be playing.
I do not play.
Do your daughters like doing hair?
When they want to.
Oh, okay.
My oldest daughter when she wants to.
Okay.
You can look at it in this mirror around here.
Oh, shucks now. Yes.
This your extra hair.
I had extra?
A little piece left.
Oh,
A
okay.
little hair left.
Oh, shucks. Yeah, much, much better.